No, you're in public.
Yes.
So we're gonna
Excuse me.
We're gonna take a picture of you. Hey, if you're gonna obstruct me, you're gonna obstruct me. You're gonna go to jail.
Hey.
Hey.
November 3rd, 2025. Officers at a racetrack store detained a woman on suspicion of retail theft, roughly $33 in unpaid merchandise. She was asked to identify herself and refused for more than 10 minutes. The issue is not whether shoplifting is a crime. It is what the law requires when police ask for your name.
Hello. One. Do you even know her name at all?
No, but I know that's the stuff that she tried taking.
Was she trying to walk out with it?
Yep.
Did she?
She drank out of that and then she tried walking out with everything.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
With a thing.
Wonderful. All right. Let me be right back with you. Excuse me.
How you doing? They want you trespass. Let me have your ID.
Well, my drawers didn't pass for a small check.
Huh?
My drawers didn't pass for a small check.
You Nicole, right?
Yeah, with an
Nicole, right?
A. Yeah.
Look at me. I'm looking at you. I'm giving you respect. Give me respect.
Okay.
Give me respect. I'm giving you respect, Nicole. Right?
Yeah.
Look at me, Nicole. I'm talking to you, Nicole, right?
Yes.
All right. Give me some respect, Nicole.
Yeah.
Look at me, girl. Just
Sorry.
look at me. Look
Yeah.
at me. Right here.
Uh-huh.
I'm right here. Look up.
Yes.
Look at me eye to eye, please.
Uh-huh.
Look at me. Look, I put my glasses up.
Yeah.
So look at me eye to eye.
Let's shake
Look
it.
at me. Why? Isn't this Nicole? I think it is. What's your ID? Let me see your ID. Let me see your ID.
You want to write it down?
Yeah.
You don't have an ID with you? No ID?
No ID.
You want to write it down?
Yeah.
Name, first name, last name, date of birth. That's your first and last name, date of birth?
What is it?
That does not help me at all, honey. All right, what's your name?
Beaters.
Beatus?
Yeah.
Beatus?
Yeah.
All right.
Beaters. All the time. Every day.
Uh-huh. You have a debit card, anything?
No, I just switched my ID.
Oh,
Yeah.
great. So you got your old one?
Yeah, they're still
Can I see, cool. Can I see your old one?
No.
No?
No.
You mind if I look in your bag? You do mind or you don't mind? Miss Awesome, do you care if I look in your bag?
Okay.
No, we're gonna take. No. Listen to me. You're in public. You're in public.
Yeah.
Look at me.
I know who Holly Polly is.
No, you're in public.
Yes.
So we're gonna
Excuse
We're
me.
gonna take a picture of you. Hey, if you're gonna obstruct me, if you're gonna obstruct me, you're gonna go to jail.
Hey.
Hey. It's all right to take you to jail. All right, I don't want to have to. I don't want to have to. Just relax. Breathe. Breathe deep for me, girl. Breathe deep.
All right. That'll work.
Yeah, sign it.
So yeah, it would be retail theft.
Huh?
She drank half an energy drink in there, didn't pay for it, and tried to leave with a bag full of stuff. So I would probably suggest you identify yourself because we have a criminal investigation. You could probably leave here with a trespass warning and not go to jail. So that's up to you. We're trying to help you. So help us help you.
Yeah.
So you don't want to have to take you to jail for retail theft.
So do we want to get a piece of paper so you can leave, or do you want to go to jail? That's up to you. We're trying to help you, and you're not helping us. Can we get your name and date of birth, please?
That would really be helpful.
We're not yelling at you.
Yeah.
We're not being mean.
I can give you a bottle of water, though.
Is there any reason why
Sent the photo out to Scott.
Is there any reason why we drank the energy drink and didn't pay for it? Can we see if you have an ID in your purse? Yes, no?
She won't let us see her photo.
We're trying to help you. You have to work with us.
I'm sorry? What was that? What'd you say? Hey,
What did she put on your paper?
just dots and scribbles. I mean, nothing. You're clearly a very intelligent person. You got some nice tattoos and stuff. Just conversate with us. We're trying to be nice and helpful. All right, what's your name? Hey, listen. Do you want to try one more time to write something intelligent on my paper?
Just talk to us.
All right. I don't want a bunch of dots and scribbles. Write your name and your date of birth, okay? It's that simple. And we can help you. But you got to help us a little bit. You got to give something. All right, so here it is. All right. Try it one more time. Look, here, open your eyes. Right here. It's in your hands, okay? Right here. Write it down. No, you're not going to write it down?
No.
No? Okay. All right.
You know I'm freaking hairy right here.
You're hairy? You're not hairy at all.
Sasquatch.
She's just trying to play a game.
Yeah, all right. Okay.
She just wants to play a game. So
You don't want to play the game. You're going to go to jail.
because look, we've been really nice, right? And you're going to get us upset, and we're trying to be really nice.
I'm trying to be super fair with you.
So you can just get a trespass warning. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you mind if I look in your bag? No?
Under Terry versus Ohio, 1968, officers may briefly detain someone when they have reasonable articulable suspicion. The employee's first-hand account provided exactly that. Most states go further with duty to identify statutes, requiring a detained person to provide their name. The specific statute here is unconfirmed pending case records, but the legal framework is not in dispute. Still, a reasonable counter-argument exists. Duty to identify laws vary by state, and some courts hold they apply only to Terry stops, not incidentally to a theft call. That distinction matters, because if the statute does not clearly cover this scenario, the obstruction charge becomes harder to defend at trial. Watch what happens when she is handed the paper.
Yo, who's supposed to say something funny?
I was wanting to so bad.
You guys wanting to pursue charges for retail theft?
Well, pressing charges.
Okay, can someone give a statement when they're available?
She meeting that with him.
Okay. And can we get a picture of the stuff?
She tried stealing around $33 worth of product.
Right?
Okay. She doesn't want to give us her name, so
Yeah, she kept talking about needing to go to church.
okay.
Yeah, she
All right.
she opened that right when she came up. Started drinking out of that. I rang her up. She tried using her card for it. Said inactive account. I had asked if she had another way of payment. She grabbed the drinks, tried walking out, and I had told her to say she needed to pay for herself.
All right, I'll need to get it on a tape statement. I don't know if it's a good spot here, or did you want to try the back room? Whichever's comfortable. Do you swear or affirm statement about the give is the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right, so can you tell me what happened here?
She came up to the counter with the items. Drink already opened the
Celsius?
Celsius.
So it was already open. Did you see her drinking out of it?
I was ringing her up. She was drinking out of it.
Okay.
So I rang her up for her items. Came up to about $32. So I paid with tax. She put in her card. Don't know which card that she used, but it said inactive account. I had waited for her to put in a different form of payment, but instead of putting in a new form of payment, she had tried walking away with merchandise.
So you said she grabbed the Celsius. She had another drink with her.
She had the fountain drink, the large fountain drink with her. She wasn't drinking out of
Did
the
she
large
say anything?
Nothing coherent.
Okay. So she grabbed the two drinks.
She had mentioned needing to go to church and heaving immediately.
So she grabbed both drinks and she started going with them.
She tried walking towards the door. I had held the bag and she also tried grabbing that. And I told her that she needed to pay for her stuff before leaving. And instead she said, well, I'm just going to take these, which are the two drinks, and try walking out again. And I told her that she needed to stay here so she could pay for her stuff. No payment that went through.
Did she make it to the door? Okay, because you were obviously telling her, hey, you got to pay for those?
Yeah, we ended up taking the drinks from her. She walked out and then walked back in to look at the sunglasses. After we had already told her to leave. Okay,
so she was asked to leave. Do you feel her intent was to not pay for those drinks if you didn't stop her?
Yes.
On behalf of Racetrack, are you willing to pursue criminal charges of retail theft?
Yeah, that's why was there like a set amount for that?
It could be a penny. Taking anything without paying is a crime.
Okay.
If that your manager wanted to,
Yeah.
but she willing to pursue criminal charges for retail theft? Yes? Okay. Is there anything you wish to add, change, or delete from what you told me?
Alright, Ella, place your hands behind your back. Not really sure if that's your name or not. Just give me your other hand, okay?
Behind your back.
Yep, alright. Now just give me this hand, okay? Right. Hey, I'm not gonna hurt you. Just put your hand behind your back, okay? Alright. Give me your other one. Here, just put it behind your back.
You're under arrest for retail theft.
And obstruction.
Obstruction.
Make sure they're not too tight. Okay? Alright.
I was thinking that too, if they didn't want to pursue, but in the middle of a criminal investigation, she failed to identify herself.
Yeah.
We have that all day.
Just walk with me. Hey, come on.
You're going. You're fine.
I'm not hurting you.
Everyone in there said you're talking just fine.
Yep. Said you're going to take the drinks, you got to get to church. It's going to happen.
How you voting? Provide for
Stand there. Stand here.
She's going to be, you can put her in, she'll be searched by 235.
No, come here. Come here.
Take a seat.
Come here. Sit. Turn around. Leg in there. Alright. You're good. It's... Come on.
Come on. Look at that. That worked. Awesome. Keep wasting our time. You can be mute all day, you're going to jail. There we go. You chose this route, not us.
We tried. Alright, hang tight.
Turn the rear camera on.
On the bag search, the officer asked twice and did not search when consent was ambiguous. Under Florida versus Bostick, 501 United States 429, 1991, that was correct. Consent is only valid when voluntary under the totality of circumstances. Under City of Houston versus Hill, 482 United States 451, verbal pushback alone is not obstruction. Refusing to identify during an active criminal investigation is a separate matter. In most jurisdictions, that refusal can independently support an arrest, regardless of the underlying charge. The officer stayed controlled across 10+ minutes of non-response and declined the bag search when consent was unclear. The one issue, an obstruction warning in the first 5 seconds before non-cooperation was established, creates suppression hearing exposure. The subject was offered a trespass warning repeatedly. She declined, wrote dots on the paper, and stated aloud she intended to take the drinks. Every offer was declined. The arrest followed directly. First, for citizens. In most states, providing your name during a lawful detention is not a waiver of any constitutional right. Silence is protected. Identity is not always. Knowing that distinction is the difference between a warning and an arrest record. Second, for officers. Consequence language is lawful, but sequencing matters. One clear request, a reasonable pause, then consequence language if ignored. That order is harder to challenge in a motion to suppress. Third, for loss prevention. The employee gave officers a first-hand account, a dollar amount, a sequence of events, and a confirmed intent to leave without paying. That level of documentation made the arrest legally defensible from the first call. Got a stop or an encounter worth this kind of scrutiny? Drop it in the comments. Rights only matter if someone is willing to test them, and that is what this series is for. Thanks for watching.